Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. And in the video of today, I will show you how to unblock number on Redmi A5. So to unblock a number, you should go to your call list, go to the number that you already blocked, click on the icon next to it, scroll down until you find the option Unblock. Click on it, and after that it will tell you, do you want to unblock this phone number? And in that case you will show again the calls and messages from this number. If you want to unblock this number, you should click on OK, and like that you unblocked this number and he can call you again and send you messages. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.